Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy phone capture JPG photo instead of HEIC or HEIF photo. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my camera application, this one, and I'm going to try to capture a photo here. I'm going to click on this button to capture. Okay, all right, and I'm going to show you the format. I'm going to click on this icon to see the details. Okay, and as you can see that this photo is in the HEIC format, and I'm going to change it. I'm going to make my camera capture JPG photo. If you want to do that, we just need to go to the setting right here. You can click on the setting icon to open up the camera settings, and here you need to turn up the high efficiency pictures. Okay, you can click on this button to turn it off like this. By activating this feature guys, the picture format will change from JPG to the HEIC format. So make sure you have turned off this feature to make your Samsung Galaxy phone capture JPG picture. Okay, now it's time to capture again with our camera, and let's see the format. I'm just going to click on this button to capture it. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to check the picture format. I'm going to click on this icon to see the detail, and as you can see that this picture is in JPG. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to go to the setting and turn off the high efficiency pictures to make your Samsung Galaxy phone capture JPG. And then I'm going to show you guys how we can change the format of our picture on Samsung Galaxy phone. If you want to change the format, you just need to rename your photo. You can go to the my files application, and for example, I'm going to change the format of one of my photo here. For example, I'm going to change the format of this photo. So we just need to rename it. You can tap and hold on it, and then we can select rename, and then I'm going to change the format to JPEG. Okay, and that's how we can change the format on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.